Hello friends, today I want to show you how to use the Olivia font which recently launched on Instagram. First open up the Instagram. Here if you go to the Instagram story section by tapping on a plus. So once you tap on the camera, so here you need to simply first take a picture. Now at the top you notice that there is a brand new font which one is called Olivia. You have to simply select this one, and now here you notice that I have access to Olivia font. So now I want to just write down something in this font. So you notice that I have write some text by using the Olivia new fonts. So here I can simply increase the size of the font, then tap on OK. So you notice that I have successfully added text with the help of this new font called Olivia. After that you have to simply tap on your story. So here you notice that I have successfully created an Instagram story with the help of brand new Olivia font. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.